facilitate your learning, please make sure that a notebook or a piece of paper is prepared. Also, a pen or pencil is ready for you to make notes while watching the video. Thank you. May I have your full attention, please? All contents provided by this channel are meant for informational and educational purposes only.
Hoi Ha Wan is one of the best sea areas in Hong Kong,
with good water quality and diverse marine lives. I often do free diving at Hoi Ha Wan.
Excuse me, you should say you often go free diving at Hoi Ha Wan. In English, we often use the verbs do, go, and play to describe activities. Choosing the right verb depends on the type of activity. The verb do is generally used for non-competitive activities.
Let me give you an example of non-competitive activity: do meditation,
Exercises,
like do aerobics,
or individual activities that do not involve playing with a ball, a specific gear, or team.
for instance, do a workout, do housework, do yoga, do judo.
It often implies general actions, exercises, or hobbies that do not have structured rules or a competition.
For example, do ballet, do a puzzle.
There are some exceptions. For example, do sports is incorrect. We should use play sports. Another example, do running is incorrect. We should use go running. In short, do means
routine or exercise.
Well done. The verb go is used for activities that involve movement.
Let me give you examples of movement: go swimming, go running,
or travel from one place to another,
such as go camping, go hiking.
These activities are often outdoor.
I love outdoor activities. For instance, go fishing, go surfing, go skiing, go cycling.
Or adventurous.
Adventurous activities are my favorites. For example, go climbing, go free diving.
That's correct. There are some exceptions. For example, go boxing is incorrect. We should use do boxing. Another example, go tennis is incorrect. We should use play tennis.
Remember that it is often used with verbs ending in ing.
Awesome. In short, go means movement or travel. Excuse me, please spend a few seconds to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. The verb play is generally used for competitive activities.
Let me give you examples of competitive activities: play football, play basketball.
Games,
such as play chess, play Scrabble.
Or sports that involve teams, a ball, or some structured rules.
For instance, play golf, play tennis.
It's also used with sports.
For example, play rugby, play sports.
And musical instruments.
Activities with musical instruments, for instance, play the piano, play the guitar.
There are some exceptions. For example, play swimming is incorrect. We should use go swimming. Another example, play hiking is incorrect. We should use go hiking. In short, play means
game, competition, or instrument.
That's right. Please find me on Instagram under the surname Hi Arjun. Feel free to follow me and leave a comment on Instagram. Let's connect and stay in touch.
Complete the question in 1 minute. Let's check your answers.
If you would like to support my channel, please scan the QR code. Then you can buy me a cup of coffee. Thank you. That's all for the video. If you enjoyed the video or find it useful, please like, subscribe, and smash the bell icon. Also, have you ever gone to camping with your friends? Comment with your thoughts below. You are most welcome to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.